Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how I did this mandala painting using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Firstly, we need to find the center of the canvas. For that I am drawing two even centimeter lines on the canvas, not opposite to each other but like next to each other. Then I am marking at the center of the each line. Then using set square I am just connecting those lines, and where the two lines meet, that is the center of the canvas. Once the center of the canvas is found, we can just start drawing the grids which we require for our mandala drawing. If you are drawing the mandala art, then your like circular grids which may be like 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeters apart, but when you are doing mandala dot mandala or mandala painting, then your circle grids has to be very close to each other. Then only it will be like a perfect grid for our mandala painting. For this mandala art, I am going to be using 3 shades of Fevicryl brand only, but 2 shades are from pastel shades and one is from the acrylic colors, but both are from Fevicryl brands only. I loved the color combination like 100% for the first time. Those 3 colors were like sisters and brothers coordinating with each other and complementing each other. So I loved the color choice. I don't have any particular pattern in my mind. I'm just going with the flow. Even the patterns which I'm going to do further in this mandala art, that was not like pre decided or something. So this was completely like was gone with the flow, and whatever had come to my mind at that time, that one only I have executed. So this is like complete 100% my thought process when I was doing this. But I really like the outcome, especially the color combination. Now I am just finding few dresses for my office outfit and traditional outfit in the same color combination. So much in love with this color combination. I forgot to mention one thing in this mandala art, like especially the dot mandala art and mandala painting. Rather than this keeping the dots using those dotting tools, I really love swooshing the mandala art. I really love those swooshing, those patterns. It was really fun. This is what makes you relieve your stress and forget all the tension, stressful life, and you just depend on that. You just concentrate on that swooshing only. Try for yourself and you will also come to know like what I am feeling when I was doing this mandala art. Really, swooshing is fun. Throughout this mandala art, rather than like following the patterns, I just did swooshing. That is what made this mandala art beautiful.